Hi guys, I painted pumpkins for Halloween and here's what I did. For the first pumpkin, you'll need a flat paintbrush and a paintbrush for details, gold paint, and paint in 3 other colors. I used the colors Creamsicle, Coral, and Goldenrod. I painted tiny strokes on the pumpkin in the first color Creamsicle. Wait for it to dry, then add strokes in the second color Coral. After it dries, paint strokes in the third color Goldenrod. I repeated the process and slightly overlapped the colors. Then I added gold dots around the pumpkin. For the second pumpkin, you'll need black paper, templates, scissors, pencil, toothpicks, hot glue, paintbrush, and paint. Paint the pumpkin black. After it dries, add the eyes and fangs with white paint. Set it aside to dry. Trace and cut out 2 sets of ears and 2 sets of wings that mirror each other on black paper. I hot glued a toothpick between each set. The plan was to stick the pieces into the pumpkin, but the toothpicks wouldn't go through it, so I just trimmed the toothpicks. Next I painted the bat's eyeballs black. Hot glue the pieces onto the pumpkin and make sure to use a lot of glue. Then I painted over the glue marks. For the third pumpkin, I painted it metallic rose gold. Let it dry before adding another layer of paint. It took a few layers to fully see the color. Then I painted lines in the color Creamsicle. For the fourth pumpkin, I just painted it in the color Creamsicle to match the other pumpkins. And here's how they turn out.